is Blizzard 2026, and I am in Flatbush. Oh, it's combusted. Come down here. Is he stuck? What's up, Mike? You sure you should be out here shoveling this here mess? That ain't for your health? I think you sure you should be doing this here?
I could do this one.
Oh. Okay. Look like it's sore. A bus did go down there.
The bus did go come down?
Yep. No, just ugly. This is Blizzard 2026, guys. And I just had to come out here and see what's going on. The laundry's open.
Not too bad. It's just,
No, it just look ugly from upstairs.
exactly. You just travel.
Mm-hmm.
Yep, just travel.
Watch this snow, it's slippery.
Clean up.
That ain't gonna be till probably tonight or tomorrow. They probably come out and do it tonight or tomorrow morning.
Sorry, excuse me.
They 24 hours, they don't never close, right? This see the fruit stand. They 24 hours? Yeah. Hey, you be ready better walking on the snow. The slush have you sliding. Sure enough. Somebody made them a good old trail. You better walk on this. I'm walking on the other side. Huh? You know they open all the men's up in there. Shoot. They're gonna make that money. Got quite a few stores open. Sure is.
Let me say a number. Let's go over there.
What, Joey was closed?
Yeah.
Look at this food. See, there go another bus.
That's gonna be after a comfortable in on the damn bus.
I won't be taking no train. And I said, well, I'm giving this snow a couple of days more. I ain't thinking about trying to get somebody to dig me out of nothing.
Yeah, let it melt. It's not that bad.
No. Them kids will be out here tomorrow playing this here stuff, making snowball fights. Cause cause the last time they getting on these homeowners and stores to clean their path within 48 hours, snow or no snow. Yep. Damn, we should have crossed. Well, they got too much snow right there. Shoot. Ain't that true? You got a path right inside of there. Huh? Seems like everybody named Mama was out here today. At least sanitation ain't burying people like they did last time. I guess everybody got on their ass about that. Excuse me, y'all. I'm cussing. Yep, yep. Whew.
I'm telling you.
I don't know, I'm just looking around.
You say you want it?
I ain't say I want nothing. I ain't say I wanted nothing. I was just looking around and see. I don't want to buy nothing unnecessary.
You just talking about this you wanted to do.
I wasn't saying about nothing. I said, I was just looking to see. Huh?
Bondage beans. I ain't got no state in money.
Okay. Shoot. No snack.
Let me just hold your 20. I'm gonna.
Huh?
Let me just borrow this 20. And I'll get back to you when I get it from home. I'll hit McGowan.
How you gonna hit McDonald? How you know McDonald got money? Huh?
So $7.99.
Uh-huh.
That's a lot,
No.
right?
Maybe we'll get the big one. Ain't got no little chunky. Huh?
Remember, I need my surgery. I mean my.
So, I don't know why you walk this way. You say you gonna go in there. Ooh, the wind. I said the wind blowing. Who? No, I ain't even bring my phone. You going in there?
Yo, boss, yo. I'm gonna do it like this. Pull up, I'm good too.
Let's see. Ain't got no good grapes in here.
Huh?
Ain't got no good grapes in here.
I got them for
Oh, well then never mind then. Shit.
these like look all right.
I don't know. This is one of the only thing I want. I can't think of nothing. You want to look around for us a quick second? I got it. A thing of tuna fish upstairs, a little can of tuna fish. And you got to think, what you going to eat for dinner? Huh?
What do we have for dinner?
I don't know.
Got like ground turkey. We'll have some more dirty spaghetti.
Yeah, that's fine.
That's fine, right?
Mm-hmm.
I need to get them. Let's go there anyway. Don't owe you $20 or what?
Yeah, you see she got any daggone current shoe. I wait for another day, I guess, before I leave, get my fish. What, hot cereal? It's kind of slippery over there. I hope this our last snow for the winter. Some stores is open. I got snow on my glasses. Yep, guys. This is our Blizzard 2026. Take your time.
Is it rain or is it just stay like in the 40s?
Mm-hmm. Mike done did, I said, Mike done did him some digging. The other side is right high.
Turn that machine on, Joey.
I told you Joe you was gonna come. Joey like forget that. We waving high
Turn
too.
that machine on, Joey. I need to play louder.
What's up?